kasemo biti samni just semina sompa de abama sompa FM ema ketiapa sompa TV MNG sompa TV MNG oh wisdom ni mitie sompa FM he sompa TV.
Promo atsoye mamunyina mo ha Ghana de share. Abroso seria from Tobacco Boya Bono for SOMPA 106.5. SOMPA TV suano yede ababa somo. Na kasia boy for hanamoa. Abafa SOMPA 93.1. Eno ewa Sante Mantem Kopo Kumasi. Ayiko Afabi 100.9 Kumasi Kronwa. Adam for Radio Paris France Abuchmemu. Afe Okwata Kwaya SOMPA 101.1. Takrade 103.3 and Atachiman 106.1. Amara Fisa Sunyana and Quadia 98.9 and Ankranza 90.7. Woman for year Wadoma Afakasi boy at Wapeti at 101.3. Now Womanka Simon swallow to me at Tibi, a bra watching wa Fidiana Diato Kingdom 106.1 and not Doma 100.7. One was Afakasi boy Awadoma. Kanashaba Radio Yadamunina Mwasadamwasi. Our Kaneshu, after Yadamu Live. Walk on Facebook on YouTube Noah. I got SOMPA 106.5 Accra. SOMPA 106.5 Accra. And when you know them, after Yera at Abwatianda Romenti, Wobo www.sompaonline.com. And Samuel don't try to work with Cherina, the one more benyabi, not working kind. A ray as song for Basaya and Semina. Yebasin Brokutri ma wono. Dear Democotino, a B NSA.
Nipa bia na no worum go tutu brekum Chelsea for car. Emma player ba ko kra hwe ne nkwa no. Prosi for Chelsea. Animani mu ye. Wo ma chi nipa mienu.
Aprosifo a wobono mantemu edinkrata ba wo mo ekire se arehosemu a esiye ewo akontanim no ene wo matimi ahye ama din aba.
Afei GPRTU anso de abasa Ghana ban asemu a waka efafango se wombete so no ho ntino womzo nyade asentuade abo obetum
Eno ana so ye hwa sa akobadi ensam so ene wo mo hwa fam go no nyina so Ghana ha na kabo ma ye calculation no wodi wan ka wan ho na yi ba ko firi mu a boso mepe no aban ka ababo wo mo de aba
kane panyini pa bedi akire ya no ye aban lawyer panyini Joseph Dindiok Penka akasa ede afa jina yesi a high court no esi yefa OSP enafe attorney general womo asemne ho
lawyer Justin Frimpo Kodua Church de ma NPP amanyoko no wose aban no waso obia to make an asem wonto wasere NDC aban se sane won ma hyase akyeche MPP fo no enya de a won betwe ede ama aban
sansem no obia timi ka no eno na Catholic Bishop Conference for say mampani mahame wontimi nkasa enyumanti yekura mu de yekura mpo a yenyamu LGBTQI+ ehon komono no
enkrata bi every Chamber of Cement Manufacturers Ghana for hwaba ya wo mu kire mu sakade akodo ya wo mu ede eye cement ho adwuma no empejamu kakra ba mu enti ebo no so esese abanhye no wo sakire mu
ane na wo mo so de dan ma han wo ma Ghana mu ntie rent control ana hyase a wo bokokoi wo se free na de kro woni a ebeso mu se wo de dan ma han na aborabosum nsia no asotwe ho onsa beka
amanfo bedem na no ana Ghana fo bi se mampani mahama tu onfo se wo munya na judidie na wonu asante mantem se mampani aka wanyate
Oba hima ye owo Efijase Sub Traditional Council wo kire mu se Sechere East abato mpeswa no esesa wo mo hye na wo mo pagya mu de kɔ mansini edibre
ane na o manfo ya wo mo so wasikum odobe bra kwa abato mpa so so atede na yie papa ye kasa yi aban no big push ya wode aba no won ma hyase a onya so mfa so
na ye betwa bosompo amana ne nsem mu no wei aniema bi ko so wataki ama ehuo ba mu na obi bloggers ni bi post wo social media no so won ya chinipa mako 162 asemsi post
wei eni afoforo bi na wie ye de som seprem to break kasebo akenkanfo ADWOA ASARE enimidin mene
OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH wadama kuma chi ameneme na ye nuaba
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA KODIE boatin
afei yanshansem na se emfa emao na otwe atwa mu no mu ede ba no ane yete se brekum Chelsea fo ja wom koye akokọ ball Ghana Premier League ni bia wom nam kwan so a wom ba na wom du nyina hini emfa from ho ba bia fro se ahyesu kwame dwomo sere so eho no a ena akrabrifo bia wom de wom nkọ ba no madi ba wade akronfo awramfo yi wom ko sane tuo mu nipa makoma be sensia ekosane tuo mu edigu eye brekum Chelsea fo wom ba asi mu ema nam so kora ma shankani na wotwi baase no wo tefa from ma enwura bi mu wode ko hyehye ya abrante ba akokora fa mo hwe ne nkwa akoya wora ho sem o man Ghana mu kura yen kan asem no emfa enwie ye ne baaye no na ye nyina ye bo prosifo so se o Ghana prosi de wo mo niema bi se no ye ho ade pa o wo de hwe asem ne be si no mo ni ho nanso se ni won be duedue mu akọchi won mu a enyam branse mo be didie e wo man Ghana mu no ya na ye ade a ekura ni mu pa eno nti ye kura ye tena Ghana today so e kan se prosifo de adwuma won be na sample kura ene won de nkratase de aba monte so kire so wa chiri pa mienu na nipa mienu no ba ku aka ho de se o timi se on na ganglia no gang leader no wo ka ho bi wo mo ache no ena ba ku aka ho nso won kura de etu aka no sanse bra prosifo intelligence team no e kwa akwachi won no won anwo won ho won ye ho de so won be sane tuom de agu prosifo so nanso se be mpraduasa wontimi ene betene nya pesa ama ne ye yenti no won mo tutuo no ama e ka ba ku ene won machi gangalia no e de aka ho a se ba ku na etu aka no no wada ya sabi a woje ayerehwe ne wo wie pe won na gina mra na no ene na nam so e ba ye no won se akronfo awrefo no me be sensia enti mu mienu ne ya chi won allegedly na prosifo kire se sa nine no aka no any empo wo bi kura mpa hono wom di nkobo e ma online tip off ma wom koye sa nyambransem no won mu nyina won ba tro ndo be gina mra na no na mra no ene o ma ko ahye no nti o mo ka ja kire wiase man san nyina se bia na wonim ba bia wo bi te wo hwe ne ne achi pa wo betimi aka ho bia I prosifo atutire na prosifo che no a emra no ene no adi
Yedasua ejina aprosifo no wom nsemu bono mantamu regional police command no wom so de enkrata ba asem a wom kanyina ne se wom ahya toto niema amakom ye aba akuntanim eno no eye empotamu bi a ewo bono mantam no emu ne nyina ene se yenka bi nhemu na wotwe mu ena yete se abamu bi a wadi mfihia no aduonu miensa 23 years a edin da ne so ene kwabena ejei ya galamse ye adwuma bi ene woye ewo empotam ho na nhwehwemu a bambofo eyeye no womu echire mu se bosumi ni da na etoso edumiensa beye enumere abapa hu no nsia sima edu no ena policefo enya complain bi efri owura Bismarck Ofori ya wono na ye area council chairman ewo akontanim ho se wonenam area ho no mo bompen wo ko hu se obi emu bi eda ho no a wo hye abrante ni su ene se de body na ye da ho no a wo hye da enyini sa obewo beye ni 20s emu enti wo ko bo bambofo mane na mpa wo mu di opanyin na chi ma wo mo ko ba bia emu ne da no wo mo ko hye na ye kwabena eje ya ye ka nasemi enti ye ka sai de wo mo etebri emu no se wo mo ebehye no wo ma ye hwehwemu na wo mo kire mu ese eye galamse fu dwumedi a wo mu edie ewo empotem wo na doma traditional area wo mo ti anti galamse task force bi se wo mo mpene mu omanfo enye saa galamse no ewo area ho enti task force no operations a wo mo koyeye en wo mo koto se enipa bi mu eye galamse no ewo empotem ho enti ekoye etuma mamento ena etu eka abrantie no eye kwabena ejeyi no ne yekire mu se wo mo anu wo mo ka ne ho anu wo mo ye saa agala no ewo mpotem ho no wo mo bufu ye pa se ade a task force na ba ye ne de wo mo ntwemma wo mo kora enti police fo no sesa wo mo niema beduru ho no na kyese eniema no enya ye den dada entokwa ne mu aye den eni etuotutu okoso pa ma yekire mu se wo mo esisi akwan ya ewo mpotem ho ne taisi wo mo shibi pa ema bambofo no krampo no wo mo asan a wo mo de ko ye se wo mo kwakoye operation no enkrofo ekotwa agya tumu ma basabaso ye bebrenu a ene koso ewo akontanim ho nanso aprosifo wo bono mantemu kire se wo mo ti ye no wo ma ye wo mo nhwehwemu a wo mo da so akora aguso ye nhwehwemu no se obi biara ne ho bon ewo sa asem no wo mbehye se emra ene sa nipa kro no bedi ye kasei abrantie no amu ne de Presbyterian Hospital emukrabia eho en wo mo ede akwakosie se wo mbe papa no mahuna de kropotia eku abrantie no enkrate ya eba ye bambo forces wo bi wo information bi a ebetimi aboa ama prosifo hwehwemu na wie dia wo fa emesom wo mo afei wo mo ye basabasa yo ewo area ho no nyina no wo mbe stress wo mo nya sanse mra ne so mu a enu bedi pa enkrate Chief Inspector Thomas Akila wo no ne kasa ema aprosifo a ewo bono mantemu ne nsa ene hyase
Afeye kwansan foforo na kaka ekuo ya GPRTU ne won mopanyi ade to aban no wanim se yenye wudeni wiye bue pa kyerese Ghana mampanyi ye Roger Dramani Mahama anna pamfo kyerese wo mo ayi aban ya sabie wo mo bubu nua engu won masom ne mom so manfo no ka asema won mutie ye pa ne nyina ne yesa enche akora ana ekuo bi atwo kratare koma aban na Imani Africa eka ho kopek enso eka ho a won koto sira Ghana aban se ba bi afa ngobo no akwa jina ntino anhwe yi a kaka adwumako ye wo ma Ghana mu so be hyase sa ahyentuabo no wo mu atutum nam so nti aban ne betie wo mu nko ade anka won hwe se ne be ya fa ngobo no wo bete so wante so kura no na anya siri ne baako akiripo ensia aninum 1 Ghana cedi 65 pesos na so ne nyina mu no Ghana aban tena se no wotwe ho no wa ya se petrol bo wate so eno ye mpeso no aduasa ensia 36 pesos eno wate petrol so ena diesel no so wate so 2 Ghana cedis just say ehye nkran ya eyeye papa ebeboa kaka adwumako no aka obi ama GPRTU for the abatcho say di aban na ye no kura no age wo mo nsam sabia wo mo na anwene won so da se Ghana ban ebetumi de won mo hia asem akwadwendwene mu ama ade kye wotumi de aye adwuma sanam so nti wo boda na se a ebi ensamra biem wopanyi pa be de kye ye okasa edema GPRTU ye Ro Samuel Amoa won nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ edi ho nkomosi.
The government has done well. We commend the government for doing that. And the decision from the leadership of the GPRT and the other transport union is that we are going to maintain the fares that we are taking for now. Although we were expecting, around 1 Ghana cedi, to also, be reduced from the petrol. But in fact, half bread is better than none. Since we have gotten 2 cedis, from the diesel and then 36 pesos from the petrol, I think we'll maintain what we are taking for now to see the way forward.
I was your way, I penny papa de churde ma GPRTU, the Okasa Adema one Ro Samuel Amoa, Nene, and Yokoti.
Na was Uncle Mokrona Muno, Samuel Amoa Casawi Yepe, any above Modia Titan Humanwa Cabo Mukama. A copy of Penia, one Yaman Simon Como, Adema Asya, Era Enam, any Hong Kong, and some Sua Manganemu. Yera Richmond Roxon, Yana Bon Kwan watches her. Ade ya GPRTU for any abre no mani aje ho amkwa tintin Ghana for benya so mfa so abo se ye nyina no aban sika waje afri mu no enye sika keto hwe sa aban ate 2 Ghana cedis e de free diesel so e na petrol no aban aje 36 pesos e de free so e nti 1 liter bia no se auto petrol 1 liter na auto diesel 1 liter aban nko e ka wafa ho no e ye 2 cedis 36 pesos e bi wo mpa na boso mentem no aban sika wa ba hwere ewa sa we se sanka aban na anye eno ye so da bi de magye fi asankafo no ho a na nka sikari nyina ye 200 million Ghana cedis na wo ka nsem we nyina no onya abotre ebu nkonta no from A abede ekosi Z.
What the government has done is that it has sacrificed significantly part of those margins, has moved some of them down, and then in order to give the people some breathing space. And so if you're asking about the source or how the government arrived at this decision, it is because, one, the government has been very innovative to be able to achieve the target of 2 cedis on the diesel and 36 pesos, which will lead to a net loss of about 200 million Ghana cedis of money that should have come to government, that the government is sacrificing for the good people of Ghana.
We Richmond Roxon and Wabubun Kontanwa from Amina to Zinabu A to Z and watch that your car. Amai Ebebo Ewomu 200 million Ghana cedis. We yape. And Penny Quancho for one on da Copekiano, Chamber of Petroleum Consumers. Yera dan Kanamu watches and Okre Abayade.
It's a good gesture. I think it's a good start if future governments would also look at things like this and say, look, when the people start complaining of a particular thing, maybe I could offer them some relief. This would not be a solution in its entirety, because if you don't fix the structural problems you have in the petroleum space, we would come back to the 17 again, we will come back to 18, we can even go to 19, 20 another day, because the structural fixes have not been dealt with. Government have given some relief. I commend them highly, but then again, there are still the bigger issues that would need to be dealt with.
We are Executive Secretary at the Chamber of Petroleum Consumers, COPEC. You know, Dan Kanam one watch us and but before bad and inside Ghana for any so the Mampani by Nayan.
Yatwa ensemno eso kane aban lawyer penyini abedi echire eye owura Joseph Dindiok Penka na wode atu dwa se ginaya high court no esiye se office of the special prosecutor eye kodubofo sonko na tena ye ya wayi ne kawafa na betri se tumia na ekita no se yede boko edu no wo mo je e de free nsem nya dane cases ni nyina e de ama attorney general atena ye ho no wo kire se ade esese court no ya no wo maye no no wo se ye won wa pass ade yi emra wo ho enti eba ne sen na senkrofo ka se ai asa aban na sheda e na office of the special prosecutor no wo pese wo mo ye kura no wo mo yifiri ho no mo kura wo kire se wo mo keka sansam no enya de etisa na ukoya mamra 1992 constitution no emu a emra ma wo kwan se high court no wo mo si gina ye bia etisa enti won de ohun ne semfonso bia eni hu.
We are in a country of laws. We are not in a country of might and men. The special prosecutor mustn't be an octopus that assumes powers that it doesn't have. It is a creature of statute and must operate within the ambits of the law in compliance with every aspect of that law. If the law says that you need authorization from the AGA, you don't have it. You don't have it. We should not be too emotional about it. The judge simply looked at, he's a literalist. He simply looked at the letter and said that, look, the law said make sure that you get authorization from the AGA before you prosecute. You don't have it. Therefore, you don't have the power to prosecute. That's all that has been said there. And I don't think that we need to take head. We need to attack the judge and all that. The judge simply told us what the law is. He didn't interpret anything. He said, look, this is the law. You haven't complied with it. Go and comply with it.
Joseph Dindiok Penka wono na kanena woye attorney general abedi echiri.
Yada kasiabono akwa Tama Community 4. Na wodo Tama Community 4 ya wabrono bi afran sa Kaiser Flat abusua enya sam ketwama wo manfo no kire se adan ya wodo ya esisi simpotam ho no se woduru na wo hwa dan ya nkrofo titi mu akire wo pa damadwa bi tena so na wo sebere wano puto pansa na mu asem otumi akasa nse nkoyie enya de a eso ani ya kyese ya dan ya e wo se wo manfo no etene mu anam so ama ene ya yakase ya so ya wono mo ahwa adansie enwo ensam so opanyipa ya wono eda no se so afo yira Kenneth Gilbert Agyeiwaa wadi aba atrose nani kine yada Tama Development Corporation wo mo hwese wo mo de krata abekwa akoma ade hye no mu a wo tete sa Kaiser Flat ho se wo mo mpane toto mpane no a wo ntu na wo kopa bia ye papa ntena ansa na dan no kora bedwire gu wo no so a adwiri sanse wo man no wo bi nka sa asemra na so asamba se bio e baba ban no tiri so enti wo mo ntena se anye honho e ma asam mansa ansa na wo ba beka ho asem na mo woni abaye asobra che na abaye wadwen se wo nkode wo mo de mra no e be ye adwuma.
Looking at the structures that have come to see here, it's more like a death trap. And I ask myself how human beings have decided to be in such structures. So I asked the TDC MD to find out what they are doing about it, because it doesn't make sense to allow people to be in such structures. But TDC MD just mentioned to me that they've engaged the residents and they've even given them a place at home to move in. But still, we have directed the MD to now put it on paper and bring it to the tenants so that they can all sign that TDC has offered us a place, but we still want to, so that tomorrow if something happens, they won't sit there and be paying that.
was your worry. I saw for your washer dancing in my own some so you were Kenneth Gilbert, a jay bro kodru no who sunny a dine wankasa, a city no anna or sasia. What a sako boy a tuja.
No cry, a diner there yet. Neomoto Timno, a who affidi, death trap, and untina or could this edgemano. Now, Catholic Bishop Conference, Ghana, dear no. Penny Odano, Bishop Matthew Jamfi, one on the Cassa was say. Yentimin Cassa or mine Ghana. LGBTQI plus on common in the table so I was so pa na I was so crampono I was so champion in poa yedi and unti I was so be a chucha so rianam na waka bi na aman timi nyina fa akonka se we no enya no na ebema ya adwuma enya no na ebe ya kwan fon a atete wo man ga na mu a ye ka ho asem a ye nka nwie ye poku asem ayerafo wo mo afra ban so wo ma ya ma kwan mo ma ban ma enya LGBT ne ba ya kwan na de amom tie nya ka no eno na Bishop Matthew Jamfi can watch us say share oman baby ayewo any baby ayegina see ebetimi akura emudie ehu hia pa o ena ye ka integrity any values a eno na enam so kura ba ma adwuma na bi aba na se wo de eno momu kwa kwahye mpaase na watimi afri baako na wo peja ona de kwa kwasi de tosu du dia eno de ewu ntumi nti waka kira ban say sa ban nim ne ye ma no a LGBT nkomo no won kan nyansa na wakonanim.
But he's not wrong in pursuing these matters because Ghanaians need jobs, they need health, they need other things. So these are important and they should be priority for the president. But equally important and no less important is this law, this bill that Ghanaians have placed before Parliament. And we realize pursuing jobs, getting help for people is not exclusive and cannot exclude and should not exclude.
Say a card here here LGBTQI plus ubodi no 1 2 3 kura to infinity wo modo so pa san komo no a ye de ho mra de akwato mra hye badwam so wo mo nhya ho mra ye se no de enye ne bema ya adwuma no eno kura eho hia kura se ye ba ya kwan no enti enko ka sa asem nenwie ye wi a ye ba kwa ya kwan we Bishop Matthew K Jamfi one na president e de ma Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference one na kasa yi
ye kai wo se SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra so enie pronto brekase boy ye ni affiliate ahodo na fe SOMPA TV na ye de ebro ye wura adwadie ensem emu kakra na enkrata bi free Chamber of Cement Manufacturers Ghana for ho aba ya wo mo ebo anoho ba se ye free bibi free on board values na we no eye eniema hodo bi a wo mo ede tutututu raw materials a ye de eye cement ho adwuma na womu echiremu se na nsemu entemu wahunu se empejamu bi aba ewo saa raw materials no emu na kane de ne efre no clinker no eyade ba ko a edi akotini ye pa ewo cement manufacturing no emu na kane na womu eto metric ton ne baako $40 womu da sore ya womu atese ako $136 metric ton baako no na womu se sampage mu ya abedi echesa womu dwene ho a womu entiase ene eniema huduo bi a aka na eba no se nso dia na ade baako esesa ban no ehye ne nso ene se production cost no ebekọ soro ena afenso eba ne saa duties ahoduo ne eto a womu etuatua no eno nso ebepage mu ewo ye port ahoduo no emu afei ebasa nso anachese womu si adan ye beto cement buo mu ene eniema hoduo bi a yede esi dan construction edwuma no empejemu ebeba ebasa nso de ene Ghana for wo de so bo ne bebo aban abesu ogu ne tiri so pa ese won hwe no wonye bibi mfanfa ho nti kopem se sa empejemu ibeba asem ne beye ho no wo mo fa sa nkrata ewe so no maka tra ban se kode sa free on board values empejemu no aba no ebeya wo mo nko no wo mkope bibi a wo beye free so kura se e bia yenyi emfree so kura no wo mbete so ama na ba fuma because $40 $236 de ade se numbers ne ebi wo mu yie pa na enkrete ya wo de ba yi wo mo atro akoma osoafo ya wo hye adwedie ene emfidinwuma ensem so se won hye na wo mfa ne nan entie mu na enimanimu ya no wo metime nya emu aye papa bi edi afri ho enkrete ye ba yi Dr. George Dawson Amoa Bishop wo no ene ye Chief Executive Officer wo that Chamber of Cement Manufacturers Ghana ekuno ano nensa ena eshase
Lawyer Justin Frimpong KWAKU ya chocho for panye dema NPP amanyuku no. Na wapanyi paya kasa achire mu se wama Ghana no wankasa no and somehow wamu NPP for pa na so ono ho akokasa kofo se ko. Wase chese abawo pese wachechire won mo sa edigu won mo chisa tie aduane hye mom de wura wo manum. Eno so de nyade ya wo mbepene. Sanse yewura nkroma da romanti. Wase freedom of speech enti obi ya wo ho kwan se wotumi ka de ya hye ne bona tete no wona ha no. Na so won mo dwene one month yasa ba we nko abetana akonya so no ene ya wo kasa wodi hey wo da kura na wo so da ya na ban gina wo kon so no obeso ohunahuna no mze hwe ehene ne ha enya de wo mbeti ase ne no mati ase china se ndc aban ebehunahuna MPP for e wo my Ghana mu
of this government when they were through Rambo Stalin arresting, detaining, and arbitrarily arraigning members of our party before some kangaroo courts. We came to you, and at that point, I remember that we were not calling on the media, we were not calling on CSOs, we were not calling the clergy to come to the defense of the New Patriotic Party, but rather to let you all be aware of what the NDC were doing. Start setting our constitution, the respect for rule of law, the respect for the liberty, the respect for the right to freedom of speech and freedom of expression, and to send a signal to them that no conditions is permanent, and definitely one day the table will turn. And we didn't want a situation whereby the table will turn and the same group of people, the media, the CSOs, the clergy, will come to MPP government and ask why these things are happening.
Na anwachi no yero ya mananso wa ana wade na nibere kwaso ya IGP so kire se nya de hianie wonya adwuma eno no de Ghana fo ehwe no onya se enei aban no ehye na chikutu pan yoduom a NPP fo no de na nibere akwaso omo so
go and arrest these people to such an extent that even where the constitution says that when a person is arrested, detained or restricted, it must be communicated immediately to the person's his crime. But in most cases, they don't. Meanwhile, we have people in NDC who on every day attack personalities in MPP, previous ministers in MPP, but IGP Onu don't see those people. The only people that he sees are those who criticize the government. It's a shame for us as a country, and it's a shame to his office as IGP of this republic. Yes, he might have been appointed by the NDC, but at least he must also have conscience and conviction and exhibit high level of professionalism in your daily activities as a man in uniform. And some judges have turned themselves into remand judges. The only thing that they do is to remind people of opponents who criticize this government. And it is a shame to the bench also that judges who are supposed to be custodians.
I was sure where I church for Panye Dema NPP Amanyoko no lawyer Justin Frimpong KWAKU.
Afi yantua kasiyano so na channel so. Say SOMPA FM ne SOMPA TV live. Kingdom and after so one more carrying in Adam for radio. Ayuko, woman in Alpha Cassiano. One more etopete, maybe at me a coboko. Now, Ghana phobia was Antamantamuna, Baba do no bonko way. Now I shall say for a josso. Edequaya, Cofer, Buaka, Edequanya Hini. Edibate fast so far, Bequaya, were here, and was under for offense, and obey here near Kenya as I go get near doom. Now, 1 year before, what been an airborne common was you. Mampani Mahama, Nano no tufo, say, ya, Yana Judidi. And I did the end, and Yabose will be an adjobes and non do a friend ready for food and chunam. We're here, yes, our de quacoda. Now, we better than we're funya say. I don't know how fortress and crack. Mampeni says, you are a dietitian. 1 year, no ma dietitians, no. We almost hear more dietitians, one more baby, me and Mayeno. 1 year and Luby pa. Never Mampeni of to our diamano. Why assume? Now, I know one from share Ubedi traffic as well, free secret. Baba du pokwa se amasamai na de kwansa wam ubedu na no mienu ai akobese no ndu anajo sa bra no kura woni di afa na akọpa aduane adi eno ntia o
dwene kamne ne ye yale na doso na emum obi sola homache akotene dwom sa me ka se watoto tomu ne sa ne to obefe o me ki se be di aduane emu oduru emwa enso so akaye ho enti omo mbe kire no ko edoso ma ye ne a na cheche ni timi ye ne a fi se ka be se frɛ ho papa Muhammad obi o man de odwena ho ma ne bro so otie ya asem so so otie yusu frɛ ne ma bibire no aya amaye we kra jensam we kra me ne so odwena ne man na wa maje so ko di banku 7 me ka se odi we kra me nyini se wa bre nti odi wi anu asada nti fi se we de ne be bre wa ka sa na wa ho ene ne nya kwam de me di
ya na sometimes e depend e aduane kro no a wo be di aduane ne bi wo ho a wo di e be hye wo so nti anajo no wo da kro na ana wo say di anajo a nti me digest hi nti no ya na se de aho kire bi aba especially eto so wo te di to anajo a ho fa be fa wanza na wada nti anajo di ne de enye ke be nya no nka wo di ntem a by 5 to 6 and could be free 7 could on your fruit to be a sabi betimi a digesting now are you okay
mini AKOSUA AGYEIWAA say ebo no 9 pa mu afofo kra de ma no wani sao ena Ghana fo bi ka no ka anya wo de nko wadidi late kura no nka no onum ho no wadidi awie nanso akwa Ghana nkomo ena wo si wo peti kura no kura mpo no eno kura ya sen na obokwa akodi fufuo de na ntwinam a wan mu kura ka kire se na ntwinam yi ekoto ayem anansa ansa kura na tete afiri ni paduanum na wudi na najo be se no ndu we nyina ya asem kase pa Ghana fo bi a wo mne ba wa be du bo nkomo ena wo ma kire wo madwene no
no obu o aduane wodi kura no a wono wodi de be kava no a enti no afutuo ne de mampani aka Ghana fo so akire wo madwene da so agina sante mantem ho na ohima ya wo afijase sub traditional council eye nana kunedu ya doma wodi kan wodi aresede eto NDC aban animu sesechire East District Assembly no womo awo ho ache enti abredu so se womo ebepeje mu nyede akọ municipal dibre na wachire mu ese free se wo mote sa mansini assembly no wo matimi abom ho modin ya adwuma ma enne yenya district ahodo mienu kura ewo sa assembly kro no a emu a sechere kumawu ena fe sechere afam plains enti se wo mu hunu se setimi ko municipal status na ebeboa ma empuntu akese aba empotem wo na enyuma nso abu ama wo manfo no anya bi aye na oba hema ede nsem we nyina etudwa wa bra dwamtirene woda NDC amanyuku no ano Yura Johnson asiedu enketia edi aprobo ekopie ne nanso
Yura mama promise ene me promise ya for em bi mai so ya ni aye bonne ke se wa di kuma ahaya ne buche no kuma na bisi nya ya sinye bisi eno mawuni bae no sedana mawuni na mfuli na aye afeli be na ho na afeli bisi bono ase ono agro bono so bae ni len ono so ko no ma ko di program na so ni na ye mu ma me ne mo papa re mo bi na nke ye ani no ba minister ma dawo nanga mama yenye bi breakfast nanga yenye mu abinya na no fa ni ya be ni yenye school food na ba eni aka mo bi ya
Nana kunedu ya doma odikan eye obahima we fijase sub traditional council ena wode ne nsem atudwa no wakasa wie ya ena dwemtireni a woda ndisi amanyuku na no Yura Johnson asiedu nketia enso ede rehemu nsem ma ne se adesrede no aban ate na wombehye ayene safe obo na naba so pa se emfie bebre ya baba sene akoi emwa ya wode atai amanyuku no achi no omani so pa
and Kraswa or Monday by a fire DC for so yen saka. As said, me bana President Mahama Beba. I quite say, why, I am to say, do tamale and commitment day, and Menina Equacoye, intimate free, my friend, and you may, or no Benya Huamba, Namima Quacoye tamale, the Onya home Mashwa, now or jam Quayama, my baby. Had the necessary on why Tamalibian. Neman and Nadia Tumali, member president Chamania, and say president or Sheba Muso. Na a breno ya won fiona into Neman Bibao, Shisha, a Yebika, and near a Kahuna to us. You make I imagine so say, by Nanahima. As a kind of non-coming free police panino at a car no one says, yeah, my friend, so I busy on fire. No, dear.
Johnson Asiedun Ketia wono eneye dwemtrani eda NDC amanyuku no ano yamani boni bawa beidu enedi we free asantemantemu ebaye.
Madam Matilda Amo aye director ya bonomantemu rent control department wada wonom ano na mami ede atoja se wo rent act 220 no NFA LI 369 no a kan pefe asha ye maame no mo ne ya papa no mo a wonom sisi dan na wo de dan no ama han se eni kwan se dan bia wo de ma han a eburo abosumi ensia emra bata ho se ko ba no se eburo abosumi ensia Ghana ban ewotumi se wo fie wura no obetumi ni wadi se ne yesene fata na so ase ne no ye bubu nuagu yasum wo bia de obi apa no ye ko ka obeka cho se sebio dan no nyo no se maame eniem de credo tum na maame obi a han so wo se de ma no nyina no yade a ekoso o ma gare mu na so ha dwene ye pa na wo kire mo se free na rekrei rent control for wo mo de mra no eba ba ye adwuma na so nti se wo kwa han wo bi dan na wo ka che nipa kro sa me pa na boso mensia na fie ru akro sha ase se wo ne wo twe ho manso se wo mfa dan ne ma wo a eno an se wo ba nan wo ma akosa ko se nyina sha otirim wo da ba wo ma mane wo mbehwe se fie ru afo kro no emra ne bedi se ne se ne fata ne tie enye krampo na dan wo de be ma wo na so wo de be mo mo akene mu free a wo anka san so ho betumi atowo abra wo ne yama ne boni kwaku mensa abrampa atwetwe nkomo e wo boro mantamu